Here we go. 8x10. HakeemNicks88. Good luck, sir. Gotta love these. A lot of fun. Alright, here we go. Oh, interesting. That's a Super Bowl one. Haven't seen one of these yet. Super Bowl 37, Tampa Bay Bucks. Number 34, man, it's got all the logos on here. Dexter Jackson, Super Bowl 37 MVP. 2 interceptions in the Super Bowl victory. Played at Florida State. PSA DNA as well. That's a cool one. It's got all the Super Bowl logo, Super Bowl sticker, PSA DNA, TriStar. I mean, it is everything. That's a nice looking one. And there's all your authentications and everything in there. So Hakeem Nicks, there you go, sir.